Let's look at the words forget and leave. For example, I forgot my pen at home and I left my pen at home. Which of the sentence is correct? I think the second one is correct. What do you mean? The word forget is not used for concrete nouns. It is used for abstract nouns. What do you mean by abstract and concrete nouns? A concrete noun is a noun that you can see and touch. Examples are television, radio, book, pen, bag, etc. Abstract nouns are those nouns that you cannot see nor touch. Examples are love, wisdom, knowledge, happiness, information, news, advice, etc. I forgot my child at home and I also forgot my money. This sentence is wrong. The reason is this: forget is not used for concrete noun. Child and money are concrete nouns. You cannot use forget for things that are concrete. The correct one is I left my child at home and I also left my money. Let's take another example. I forgot my phone. I forgot my phone. No, it is wrong. Phone is a concrete noun. It is a noun that you can see and touch. You cannot use forget with concrete nouns. The correct one is I left my phone. I left my phone. Let's take another example. I forgot information. I forgot your name. These sentences are correct. I forgot the information and I forgot your name. The reason is this: name and information are abstract nouns. They are things that you cannot see with your eyes nor touch. Therefore, forget can be used with them. I forgot your name and I forgot the information. Thank you. Please, if you like this video and you find the content valuable, please like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you.